What is going on, my beautiful family? Hope you guys are having an amazing day despite the market turbulence that we're seeing right now. I know it is a little bit shaky out in the markets right now. I just want to make sure that all of you guys are able to see the video. Okay, beautiful. I see it live now. All right, guys. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. It's your boy Ro. If you don't know who I am, basically we are back with a just kind of a chill little stream here. We're just going to be taking a look at the market, see what's going on with Bitcoin, with everything, honestly, because we're having a little bit of a pullback today. A lot of your bags are probably looking very sad. I know all my turbo community, my holders out there, you guys are it's been rough these last couple weeks. And to add injury to insult, I mean, we literally just took another hit right now, guys. The markets are literally just shaking everyone out. Guys, today's stream is just going to be very laid back, very chill. So if you guys have some water, make sure you guys go grab some, stay hydrated. And yeah, if you're new to the channel, my name is Ro. I cover the latest and the greatest crypto content right here on this page. I try to help you boys make a 10, 20, 30, or even a 50x in this bull market. And the thing is, I've been around since like 2017, guys. Learned a lot of ups, a lot of downs. So by no means am I a financial advisor, but I have learned a couple things, and I want to make sure you guys get the best advice possible. Because in 2021, one of the biggest things that I did was leverage a lot of YouTubers to make as much gains as possible. Not saying that I blindly went out and bought literally everything they talked about. No, absolutely not. Instead, I used what they were talking about as leverage, went on and did my own research. But enough yapping. Let's kind of take a look at the crypto markets right now. If you boys don't already, grab yourself some water because you need to stay hydrated. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are able to hear me. If the audio is all good and everything like that. Nort says, is Toshi in a good price to buy now? Honestly, yes, it's had a little bit of a pullback. I think it's at an amazing time to buy right now. And one of the coins, guys, that I'm actually loading up on that you guys have seen me cover before is JYAI, Jerry the Turtle, guys. I mean, this thing has all the right signs for a 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 million dollar market cap play. It's been audited. The contract is renounced. And one thing that I actually do like about these guys is they take a lot of feedback from some of the bigger people in the space. I know that there was this YouTuber that kind of advised them, hey, in the beginning, your liquidity isn't locked, guys. Maybe you should do this. Maybe it'll be better for the community. And that's something they did take into consideration, which again is something that I love that they do. They take in the advice of people so that they could make the project better, make it more suitable for the audience, make it into something that's sustainable and long term, right? Community feedback implemented frequently. I mean, literally, I'm reading it right now. What about a Masood Savardes? Hold on. Splash B Killing says, Toshi just went braids for like 2 minutes. Masood Savardes says, what about Daxi, please? No idea what that is. Have you checked out Catzilla coin? I have not checked that out. But yeah, JYAI, I think it's a solid play right now. It's sitting at a very low price, guys. I honestly feel like I'm the grandfather of this meme coin because I called this thing super early. And I think it has a lot of potential. I think it could do really well. You can see the roadmap over here. Phase 1 was hitting that target market cap of 5K to 500,000. If you guys literally didn't know, I called this thing on my YouTube channel at $30,000 market cap. Guys, $30,000 market cap. For that to 10x is 300,000, and I could assure you it's well past that. We'll be taking a look at the chart and everything like that, see where it could kind of go. Jeremy Morris says JYAI, Jerry the Turtle is the best 100x, my friends. Let me just pull my stream up on my phone to make sure that everyone is able to see me and everything is all good. We have about 36 people watching right now. To everyone watching, I just want to say thank you. Welcome to the stream. And yeah, guys, we're just kind of just chilling, just laid back. There's going to be more of a chill stream because I don't want to go too crazy. We have 36 people watching right now. Thank you to everyone that is here. We appreciate you guys. If you guys have any coin recommendations or anything like that you want me to cover, I will do so. Okay, why does my chat keep disappearing? How do I have it here for good? Okay, there we go. So yeah, like I was saying, guys, it blew past that 100 or that $1 million market cap. It's doing well past it's done well past a 10x from when I first called it. So again, it has a lot of potential to keep running, in my humble opinion. The link tree is over here if you guys want to check that out. And again, okay, so it looks like my live chat on my laptop isn't working, so I'm just going to be reading it over on my phone. Let me If you guys have questions, if you guys have any concerns, just let me know down below. Somebody asked, what is the contract address for this? Well, you literally just have to, where was it? Somewhere on here, if I'm not mistaken. It's right over here, contract address. You guys could just copy that and paste that onto like something like Phantom or Uniswap, whatever it is that you guys are using. Link of this coin, guys, literally just type in jerrytheturtle.com. Someone asked, do you hold any degen? You called at 20,000 market cap, says Marquise. I remember. Absolute banger, dude. I mean, let's just compare where it's gone to. I know we've had a little bit of a sell-off, but guys, calling this thing at $20,000 market cap is pretty difficult if I do say so myself. Okay, let's go over to the daily chart. And okay, so where's $20,000 market cap? This is ridiculous, guys. Like, this doesn't even make sense. 132, 97, 90,000, 60,000, 30. Okay, so it was roughly around here. Okay, so this is where it was around, I want to say around 29,000. Oh, I didn't even have the ruler selected. I'm so dumb. What are your opinions on Safe Moon? Honestly, man, that thing was a huge Ponzi back in 2021. I'm probably going to stay away from it. That's just my opinion, man. 29,000. So from here to where we are right now, okay, you guys need to understand, to where we are right now, to 1.17 million, that's a 30x, okay? That's a 30x. And for anyone that held all the way to up here, guys, this is a 10,956% gain. This is astronomical gains, guys. And if you want to know how you could find these meme coins, be the next one to get into that 50 to 10, 100x, make sure you guys check out the Meme Coin Mastery. The link to this will be down in the description. This is my private group where I call plays like this. You get access to my private buy and sell alerts. And one of the tokens that we are very bullish on right now currently is Jerry the Turtle, JYAI. Okay, what do you think about Flog Coin? Brother, I've never heard of it. Draggy is a good entry. I feel like Draggy, honestly, boys, I need to make an update on that. Like, that thing has been lagging behind. We're going to cover it. Turbo has taken a massive hit, honestly. Am I bullish on it? Of course I am. I'm still buying, says Marquise Moorhead. Absolutely, dude. We love to see that. Again, guys, and they're building behind the scenes as well, right? Like, over on their X account, you can see that these guys are coming out with exchange listings left, right, and center. Like, look, you have the Beconomy listing, you have Asbit, you have the UZX, you have AscendX, and a bunch more, guys. They also audited as well, which, again, like, contract owner cannot mint, contract owner cannot blacklist addresses, contract owner cannot set high fees. The fees, like, I mean, like, great tokenomics, great play, one of the more solid ones that you guys should definitely be taking a look at. Somebody asked about Toshi. Yeah, we're definitely going to cover every single coin, guys. Well, everything that we can. Don't know how long we're going to be live for this. More so it's going to be a laid back, chill kind of stream. I see we have 51 people watching right now, and to those, I just want to say thank you so much for being here. When should we sell Toshi? The thing with Toshi is, honestly, as it got closer to $1 billion market cap, guys, you need to understand that there's going to be a sell-off. When it comes to $1 billion market cap for anything, there's going to be a huge psychological barrier when it comes to that price point, and that's why we're kind of seeing that little bit of a sell-off, right? In the last 7 days, though, we have pumped astronomically, up 323,000%, and as it kind of got up to that, it got up to that 202 mark. We've seen the tapering off. I think it got to around $940 million market cap, which again is ridiculous to even think about. Like, it ran so much. And the crazy thing is, guys, this is also a play that we called over on our we called Toshi. I called a Toshi buy over on our Discord as well. Let me keep reading. I follow you for a few months now, and I bought Pen Down with your recommendation, which it's great. A lot of folks talk about UFD. Is it a good entry point right now? UFD. What is UFD? WebPay, it looks great for now. When it drops mid-Feb, WebPay is a solid project as well. It's a pre-sale. Just keep that in mind, boys. Beats on Base is a solid play as well. On the base ecosystem, I believe that a lot of meme coins that are on the base ecosystem are going to do well, guys. What is suppressing Turbo? Honestly, guys, just the market itself. Like, the market sentiment around everything right now is really bad. Could Turbo hit 0.5 in your opinion? No, I don't think it's going that high. Is PNG a good buy right now in your opinion? It's on a nice dip. We will take a look at PNG, but I do want to show you guys this absolute gem of a call that we made for Toshi, guys, over on my Discord. I wish I could show you guys. It's having another run up right about now. I actually know the exact hour I called it. It was January 23rd. Okay, what day is it today? It's the 26th. I call this 23rd at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so Eastern Standard Time, that's right around here. Okay, the 23rd. Where it is right now, boys, that is a 450% gain. We do not play around over on this Discord. We do not play around. And again, up until like um the peak that we hit so far, we were up 600%. Absolutely insane. This again is a very solid play that if you guys have not already, you should definitely be checking it out. Again, if you want to know another meme coin that I'm bullish on, again, if you guys are new, JYAI, I think this is going to perform really well, guys. Very active over on their X, and I feel like I play a major role in this just because I called this very early. Amazing team, and they're very receptive to what's the word that I'm looking for? They're very receptive to constructive criticism because you're always looking to build. And there's a bunch of YouTubers that actually cover this thing as well, which is super cool, guys. Like a bunch of influencers talking about it. So again, it's getting that coverage that we need to absolutely send this thing. Could Turbo, let me see. Are you Brazilian? Edinho. Is that like that's such a football player name, man? That's so dope. I am not Brazilian, brother. Keep guessing though. I like that. I've always loved Brazil. I've always wanted to travel there when I was younger because I was like the biggest Neymar fan, man. Like I love Neymar. We have 57 people watching. Thank you guys. What's up? If you're new to the channel, my name is Ro. I make YouTube videos every single day. I upload 3 videos a day. I'm actually uploading one after this live stream. This live stream is kind of just a hangout session, just to chill, boys. Show you guys what I'm buying, what I'm holding, just things like that. If you have any questions about anything, just drop it down in the comments below, and I'll try to answer everything. Stronghold token also getting a rise. Turbo needs to hit 0.2, says Predictress. Hold the turbs. How about X payment? XPay, is it belong to Elon Musk? I've actually never heard of that. Unicorn fart dust. I have heard of that, and I'm probably going to stay very far away from that, to be completely honest with you guys. Yeah, Toshi, solid play. I think it's actually, honestly, very shortly, it might flip Brett, guys, to be completely honest. Brett isn't really doing too well right now. It's been just dump after dump after dump, it seems like. I am about to mute. I almost literally died there, guys, without water. If you guys aren't drinking water, you need to drink more. What's a bearish view for Turbo this cycle? I saw it in Coinbase. It's a Coinbase meme. A bearish view for Turbo. Let's actually take a look. So a bearish price prediction for Turbo would be like 3 to 5 cents in my opinion. Now bullish, like the most moon boyish prediction would be like saying 20-30 cents for Turbo. It could, obviously, guys, it could go there. Do I think it's going to go there? No. I've always like been fully transparent about where I think Turbo is going to go. I've never lied to you guys. I've always said I'm taking profits around 7 to 10 cents. But the worst case scenario, guys, is Turbo tops out around 3 to 4 cents, right? Best case scenario, we see it pumping 20-30%. Again, anything could happen though. Like literally, it could go to 50 cents. Very unlikely, but literally, again, anything is possible. Somebody commented sparkling water, the Stone Santa. I saw it in Coinbase. It already flipped Brett earlier today. No, it definitely did flip base Brett earlier today, but again, it did take a hit and dip below it. So yeah, base Brett is still up in the leads right now in terms of market capitalization. What's your take on Ski? That's actually a really solid question. SkiMaskDog is a very solid play. It does have the whole narrative of being a base play. Again, guys, the entire market just took a massive dookie in the last couple hours. Down 29% though in the last month. If you want to hold on, or if you've been wanting to accumulate some SkiMaskDog, potentially might be a good time to scoop some up. Obviously not financial advice, guys. These are, at the end of the day, these are very high risk, high reward plays. So if this is kind of your risk appetite and you have that kind of casino plays bag with you, then yeah, maybe allocate some into SkiMaskDog. The only thing that keeps me a little bit fearful about this is the all-time chart. Like, this thing has just been on a straight decline in these last couple excuse me guys, like my I don't know what happened to my voicer. In the last couple weeks, months, this thing has just been on a straight decline. I would be looking to load up on some. I actually do hold some SkiMaskDog as well. The community is insanely bullish on this. Brian Jung, Lark Davis covered all the time as well. How do you feel about Wepe? I think Wepe is a solid pre-sale. Hoppy is also down, but I think it's still going to rise. Yeah, Hoppy has been taking like hit after hit. That thing just can't catch a break. I'm down on Toshi, but I'm not selling. Please tell me what price you bought in at. What price did you buy Toshi at? Because the only people that are down right now are the people who bought at all-time highs. And if you are buying at all-time highs, bro, my question is, what are you waiting for? Like, literally the people that are down is the ones that are buying at all-time highs. Why? If you're watching this video, if you're watching this live stream, please tell me why you're buying meme coins at all-time high prices. That's not how you should be buying. Frankie Martino says, "Hey, Ro, what are your thoughts on Dog?" I have actually not seen Dog before. But speaking of all-time highs, guys, a meme coin that has retraced quite a bit from all-time high is JYAI, Jerry the Turtle. If you were to get in from where it is right now, you're looking at least a 230% gain towards the upside. Market cap, again, sitting at 1.2 million, guys. This would just bring it just shy of about $3.5 million market cap, if that's something that you are interested in. I think it's honestly going to perform really well. Again, if you guys are new to the channel, thank you. I see 62 people are here. I just want to say welcome, welcome, welcome. It is honestly just a chill stream, guys. We're not really looking to ape into any plays right now. I personally, though, I am buying JYAI as of right now, because I think it's just at a price that cannot be overlooked. Market will probably continue to go down for the next week at least. Honestly, I'm expecting a very bullish reversal for February. I believe February, March, Q1 just in general is going to finish off strong. That's just my opinion, though. Agreed, because I was going to invest money in XPay, but I'm worried it looks far from rise. What is your take on XRP considering it is down to 2.98? I feel like I just have a bad relationship with XRP, to be completely honest. Like, I got burned by this thing in 2017 and in 2020, 2021. Like, I was holding a huge bag of it. It never had a rise. And I've just been like, you know what, screw this coin. It honestly, this thing is hitting new all-time highs. This thing is going crazy. Obviously, I would wait for a pullback before I was you guys, if I was to buy into this. And realistically, just ask yourself, like, what market cap do you think XRP could go to? I know Donald Trump has come out and said that cryptos that are based in US will have zero capital gains tax, which is obviously very bullish for the entire market. Let's see. Is this how bull runs go? Bleed in the first quarter? Honestly, typically we see a very bullish Q1, especially for Ethereum and meme coins as a whole. Especially after halving years, like the halving year of 2016, 2017 Q1, we've seen altcoins explode Q1. In 2017, or sorry, the 2021 bull run in 2020 after the Bitcoin halving. When it came time to Q1 2021, we seen Ethereum altcoins just start to take off, guys, and we're not seeing that as of yet. That doesn't mean that the bull run is invalidated or the bull run is done. Again, I still believe in the cycles. I believe that the cycles are still going to continue to play out like they always did. Bro talking like he doesn't buy at highs. Perry Project said, dude said he scooped up Turbo at 208 recently. Look at the price. Perry, you are so foolish because those are not the highs, my brother. That was when it took a dip. Always buying at the red is smarter than buying green candles up. So that absolutely made no sense. I understand I'm down, but that doesn't mean I was buying a green candle. And if you actually want to know when I first started buying Turbo, well then let's kind of find out here, right? Oh, I'm about to flex on you, man. I am about to flex on you because I scooped up a little bit of Turbo, but I was covering this thing back in 2024. This is even the right one. This is even the right one. Great. Keep coughing. Okay, so as I was saying, Turbo, my first couple buys came in around February of 2024. If we were to compare where we are from, let's just say March, okay, March 1st. I'm still up a nice 786%. I have not sold, so yeah, very nice. Very, very nice. What else? Bro, will you buy more nitro from your own money? Yes, I've been buying nitro with my own money. No, I've not been buying with ones they no, that's not how it works, man. I bought nitro with my own money. I think it's a solid play. G Breeze, I just watched your latest video on Toshi. I'm staying in, hoping for another run in the next week. Again, I don't think Toshi's a bad play. I wouldn't agree with you buying in at all-time highs, dude. Like, you need to wait for a retracement. Never chase green candles, right? Because that is literally what FOMOing is. And FOMOing is just falling victim to your flesh, boys. And again, we don't do that around here. You're starting JY videos like, you should start doing JY AI videos like Turbo. You mean like covering this thing every single day? I mean, it's a solid play. I don't know if I'll cover it every single day. I am bullish on it. I low key, guys. Low key, I'm not the founder, but like I feel like I'm the founder because I called it at like $25,000 market cap. So it's just like I've seen it grow and hit $3 million market cap, which again is an insane amount with literally a 100x, probably the first 100x that I've called on here and this Discord as well. So I feel like I'm the founder, but I'm not. I just played a pretty big role in kind of getting this thing up there, and I still am very bullish on it, right? If we take a look at some of the goals that they have, integration with Beconomy, AscendX, AZBit, DexTrade, UZX, followed by 2bit, WeX, and Probit, and some of these are already have come into fruition, right? DexTrade, Beconomy, AZBit, UZX, AscendX. I mean, these are all literally coming out as we speak, guys. Try to see. We have 72 people watching. What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a beautiful day. Again, if you're new to the stream, this is just going to be a very chill, laid back stream where we just kind of take a look at some of the coins that I'm buying. And as of right now, JYAI on a dip is what I'm buying right now. H has insurance services. Asked, what's your Discord, bro? It is the link in the description. Lesson learned to G Breezy. I FOMO'd. I was going to buy in last night and didn't, so I didn't want to miss out again. No, I get that, man. It happens. We always fall to our flesh. It always happens. It's the worst. What I like to do is go against a narrative. When nobody else wants to buy, guys, that is low-key the time that you guys want to be buying. And that's one of the biggest things that I've learned in my, I don't know, like 5, 7, how long I've been in crypto. I've been in crypto since 2017. I can't do the math. How long is that? Like 8 years, guys. And that's one of the biggest things that I learned. Oh yeah, if you guys are new, like the video or like the live stream, subscribe, hit the bell notification, all that fun stuff. Because listen, I go live every once in a while. I'll try to do it a daily thing, guys. Honestly, I've been struggling to make it a daily thing just because I don't know. Like, I'm pretty bad at live stream. I'm very new to this. So if you guys want more live streams where I cover some of your plays or all that fun stuff, make sure you like this video. And again, I post 3 videos every single day, guys. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification because I don't want you guys to miss out on potential plays that I might drop. But if you do want, again, if you do want like instant buy and sell alerts, like exactly when I get in and get out, the Discord is where those will be provided. Spell Token. All right, sure, I'll check out Spell Token, dude. Spell Token market cap of $233 million. ERC20 play up 63% in the last 7 days. In the last month, we're up 100%. How long has this coin been around? Okay, so it's had a bull run before, which throws me off just a little bit. Doesn't look like, doesn't even look like we came close to all-time highs. That chart looks a little bit concerning. I'm not going to lie to you. Let's go Ethereum. Check Spell Token I'm looking at right now. Ro, what is your most favorite meme with the most conviction? My most favorite meme coin, obviously, hands down, Turbo. At 204, I'm selling all my Turbo. I don't care. It falls that low. Hey, dude, if you're selling it, I promise you somebody there to buy all that up. Turbo is in trouble. How much do you think Turbo will get to in 2025? I've always been very transparent about my price predictions, guys. I've always said I'm pulling my profits out on Turbo around 7 to 10 cents. I'm still holding Turbo, but at that level, it's a BS. Not, I completely understand you, dude. I get it. Not a meme coin, but what's your thoughts on Ondo? Ondo is the RWA one. Is that correct? Check all the FUD clear. A lot of people want in. Baby Doge is a good play. Hold on, let me set up my phone because for some reason I'm not able to read it off my laptop here, which is kind of annoying. So I'll kind of have it. I'll kind of have it going on my phone over here. Okay, mint MIM against various forms of collateral. Abracadabra. I feel like I've heard of the abracadabra before. Is that what spell token is? It sounds kind of demonic, guys. As a Christian, I don't know if I could get behind this. Operates as a stable coin with its value pegged to USD. Okay, anything. Ooh, I don't know. This kind of reminds me of Terra Luna a little bit. I just get nervous around these coins. And here's the thing, guys. It hasn't really had a run since does it have a deck screener chart or a contract address that I could copy? Okay, I mean, considering where it was last time, all-time highs 0.02. Yeah, we are quite the ways away from that, guys. I don't know if we're going back up here. I don't think that I will be getting into this. Not really a token that I could get behind. How much you think Turbo will get to in 20? I already read that. Patrick says, yeah, Hive AI, Baby Doge. I'm bullish on Ondo. Ondo is a very solid play. Ondo's a good play. I am going to be honest with you. $4.3 billion market cap. What is your like long-term price prediction for this thing? That's what you really just have to ask yourself. Are you going to be able to make a 10x? Probably not. Can you see a 2 to 3x, 4x? Then yeah, probably, right? If that's what you're in it for, guys, and by all means, you should be buying in if that's what you're going after. I mean, the all-time chart does look really good. You can see the run up, a little bit of sideways action, started to run up again. What I feel like might happen is a little bit more sideways action, continue its ascent to the upside after that. Let's actually check out the trading view chart on Ondo here. Ondo USDT. Oh yeah, this chart's beautiful. Oh yeah, this chart looks great. It looks like it just touched off a very strong demand area as well. Let's see over here. Like right over here, there is a very strong resistance over here as well. You can see all the little wicks down. Again, we tried to break by that supply area, wasn't able to. Came back down, retested it. It's kind of trading in between these levels right now, boys. The reason I marked this top one off is because that resistance here. How I like to play it is called supply and demand. Supply is resistance, demand is a support zone. You can see here very strong support. The reason that it's a strong support is because once it broke below this, it came back down to retest it. The resistance or the supply was too strong, dropped it all the way back down. Very strong demand area here as well. Broke above it, guys, came back down, retested, and bounced off this demand area. And this is literally all you need when it comes to doing technical analysis. It's at a good area. Worst case scenario, dips back down to 1.12 and bounces off of it again. Do you like SPX 6900? I've heard a lot about it. Have not really checked it out. Cryptex Finance just went nuclear today. What do you think the future is? I have not actually heard of it. I don't know anything about crypto, but I got 100 Toshi at 0.0015. And that, my friends, is how you know retail is in. I'm just kidding, Lee Cash. Welcome to crypto. I try to cover some good plays here on this channel. So if you are new to crypto space, whether you're a beginner or whatever it may be, just subscribe, follow me on X because I'll try to help you guys along the way. Bullish on Catzilla coin. I've actually heard about that. Jerry and Nitro, my biggest gains. I'll be getting more on the dips. Nitro's a solid play as well, boys. Thank you for that Ondo chart analysis. G Breezy says absolutely. Yeah, boys. So like right now, again, the whole market is dipping. So technical analysis isn't really your best friend if the fundamentals are making it crash, right? That's what the one thing you need to understand. Bro, how do you get notifications on the price of your bag? You use an app on your phone. I actually don't get notifications about my bags. Some of the best things that you could do, guys, is have conviction in your plays and close your eyes. Like, don't look at your bags all the time because that is the worst thing that you could do. You're going to be so mentally drained. You're going to be so mentally drained, guys. Like, it's insane. Do not just don't keep noties on. I bought some Mudang. Mudang's a good play. Mudang's a good play. I do think it'll recover. Turbo going to 203. My boy. Ah, man. Don't diss my meme coin. I am the founder of Turbo. Okay, guys, you're going to make me have a crash out here. I'm just joking. But dang, in the last 24 hours, down 11%. And guys, here's the thing. There's no way majority of you guys don't hold more turbo than me, okay? So that's the funniest part. Like, this thing took a massive dookie. Holy macaroni. Let's go. Let's see how turbo is. Now, go to trading view because that's where everything is. Young Eldor says, "Wow, turbo really? Yo, oh my gosh, it's at this demand area right now. 2052, and I did not see it going down there. I mean, look how beautiful, honestly, though, right? Technical analysis is so beautiful because just look at how it's corresponding with these levels so well. You can see right on the way to the top, boom, 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 boom. And then now it's like kind of breaking down. Hopefully, guys, we do not break below this, because if that's the case, if we break below that, then we're going to see some extremely low levels. We're going to see 204 again. If we break this, if we hold it, we come back up to that 206 mark. When do you believe altcoin season could start? Has the Trump affected negatively? Trump has sucked all the liquidity out of these meme coins, and you guys don't even understand. Like, it's ridiculous. Like, look at this absolute trash coin right now. Sitting at $2.40. Like, this thing came in, wrecked the entire market, laughed. They made a huge bag off of it. And then they're just like, haha, this is funny. And then Trump has the audacity to come out and say, oh, I don't even know much about it. Like, I heard it's doing well. Like, buddy, do you know how many people you wrecked? Do you know how many people you just did over because you were bored and Baron wanted your phone? I see people all the time, like, even like a lot of retail investors. A lot of retail investors bought Trump and they're like $100 or nothing, and like, you're so foolish. Like, this thing, I don't really know what it's gonna do. I'm staying far away from it though. Now, somebody asked about Nitro. Nitro is a very solid play. I got in yesterday. I made a video about it, and it called in my Discord as well. We were up like 3x, but then obviously it took a little bit of a dip. But again, that's a-okay. Again, guys, one of the biggest reasons I am even doing this live stream is just to cover Jerry the Turtle, because this is something that I think it's worth you guys adding to your watch list. It's something that I am going to be buying very aggressively as well. Again, I can't tell you guys what to do with your money. I can only tell you what I am personally doing. And one of the biggest reasons I am such a big supporter of JYAI is because of how early I call, excuse me, of how early I called this. If you guys do want access to my private buy and sell alert, you guys could go over to the Memecoin Mastery, which again is linked in the description. We are having a fire sale as well, guys. 97 a month, or you could join for 497 on a one-time payment at 497 for the entire year. JYAI has all the right check marks. Ownership renounced, not upgradable, token cannot be burned, contract cannot be locked. All in all, solid meme coin, great community engagement as well. The community is building. I can see them growing every single day. The amount of holders they have is also growing. Funny enough, when I first started talking about them, where is their holders? Holders. Here it is. When I first started talking about them, guys, they had 17 holders. They're now at 600 holders, and there's a bunch of buy orders coming in right now as well. Super cool. Again, you can also buy it on Uniswap as well. Ro is Jerry's dad. I definitely am. He actually came out of my butt a couple days ago. Actually, no, a while ago, more than a month. Is Jerry the Turtle? You guys are funny, man. G Breezy. Is Jerry the Turtle? No, it's not on Coinbase, dude. Jerry the Turtle. Again, some other banger plays is Nitro as well. Let's see how Nitro is doing. I know Nitro took a little bit of a dip the other day. This thing is a banger, boys. This thing is a solid play. Buy on Uniswap. And the funny part is, even before I bought yesterday, a lot of people were commenting it, like, just on my videos. Dude, you should buy some Nitro. You should buy some Nitro. Huge wick to the top here. Oh my gosh, but what a fall back down. Like, how much of a dip is this, guys? This is ridiculous. 60% crash. Oh my days. Do you believe in coins like Shiba Inu or Bonk Coin? Robbie says, bro, you call out too many memes. I mean, like, what else do you want me to call out? It is a YouTube channel where I talk about meme coins. You know what I mean? You know what I meme? Please don't unsubscribe for that. We have 75 people watching right now, guys. Thank you so much for watching the stream. I really appreciate you guys. Genuinely would not be here without any of you guys' support. One thing I do want to say though is we really only have a couple months left on this in this bull run to really just lock in. So if you guys are new, I'm not even going to tell you guys to join my community, but you want to be a part of somebody's community because crypto is a zero-sum game. There's none of this. There's none of this. I hate when people say we're all going to hold hands and take profits together. That's not going to happen, okay? When I'm selling, some poor dude on the other side is buying those bags. Crypto is a zero-sum game. When you're buying at all-time highs, you need to understand that there's probably some big whale out there that's like looking at you and laughing and saying, yeah, buy my bags. In the same way, guys, when you're selling at an all-time high, there's a poor dude on the other side that's buying your bags and being like, oh yeah, like Shiba Inu to the moon. That's just the reality of it, right? That's, I mean, again, join a community if it's not mine. Just please get, I don't want you to get wrecked in this space here because it's super easy to do that. Kenroy coming out and shilling saying buy some Moodang. Listen, dude, I know you're the founder of Moodang, but no, we're not gonna buy it. Memecoin channel call out too many memes. Yeah, like what do you expect, man? Like, what do you want me to do some stock market analysis? Honestly, boys, if you are looking to get into the stock market, VFV, if you're in the Canadian, if you own a TFSA, VFV is a pretty solid option, guys, because it tracks the S&P 500. If you want to make a solid 10% gain in a year, go ahead and buy yourself some VFV, not financial advice, or you could buy a meme coin and make 10% gain in less than 24 hours. Not financial advice, not financial advice. God bless you, bro, from Quebec, Canada. God bless you, brother. Thank you for supporting the streams, and always love to see another fellow believer in God. I love that. Turbo is dying. It's not dying, dude, okay? It's just having a little bit of a, it's just sleeping. It's just sleeping, okay? Just chill. Coinbase will list Benji or Migos next. I would love if Coinbase could come out and be more bullish on more base plays because that would be massive. Like Toshi is honestly, Toshi is carrying base memes right now. Having a little bit of a push yet again. Hopefully we do start our ascend to the upside. I mean, the chart for Toshi looks beautiful. The chart is, oh my gosh, like you guys see this chart? This is insane. This is a very beautiful chart, boys. And what I want to see is a little bit more, you know, maybe we don't pump right away because again, pumping just straight 90 degrees in the air is a very bad sign because the harder they pump, or sorry, as hard as they pump, the harder they fall, or whatever that saying is. I would like to see a little bit of sideways action at the top, maybe hover around that $1 billion market cap for a little bit. I want to see slow, sustainable growth, guys, to be completely honest with you. I know in this space, we're also used to that quick dopamine hit where we see price increase like 1,000x. But realistically, if you want to make long-term wealth, if you want to make long-term gains, that is just not sustainable. AI agent coins to look at. Honestly, I don't look at too many AI agent coins. I know there's one called Phoenix that one of my partner in the Discord talks about it a lot. I think it's an XRP token. I don't know how to even find this thing. Phoenix token. I don't want to click the wrong one. It's something on XRP. I don't really do too much AI agents. I know Beats on Base is a good play. Why do you think Coinbase will list Brett on Base? It's a cabal coin that Crash's team owns 80% supply. It's real Brett is on ETH. And I totally agree, man. There was so much FUD around Brett at a certain point because they were owning like 80% of the supply. Crash's Clay, a lot of shady stuff. Like apparently he was like shilled by the team and stuff like that, holding a bunch of it. And to make up for it, these guys are doing an insane amount of burns. They did make a recovery though, I can't lie. I just got here. Should I buy more Toshi? Says Caesar. Hey, I cannot tell you what to do. A meme coin that I'm buying right now, however, is Jerry the Turtle. A lot of buy orders coming in as well for this thing. That's absolutely massive, boys. I don't know if I don't know if that's you guys. I'm not telling you guys to go out and buy this. I'm just saying this is a solid option because it's so underrated right now and just to the top. We have quite the ways to go. Like it's like a 200% gain to get back to previous all-time highs. Do you have a personal mentor that's helped you gain knowledge on crypto? I hear you say you've been in since 2017 or so. I do agree that the community is important. I've never actually had a mentor for crypto. I kind of just learned along the way. I was super into day trading in 2017. So crypto for me was kind of on the back burner. In 2018, I started like full time day trading and I lost tens of thousands of dollars. Like I was in university, I was grinding, making money at my job, throwing it into Forex trading, and I was just losing so much money. But that, like honestly, it sparked an interest. And it sparked an interest in like what's out there, like the potential of finance. And I just fell in love with finance. I fell in love with trading. I fell in love with investing. I started doing stocks. I started getting even more crazy with crypto. Started buying up cryptos during the bear at that time. Rode up to a lot of gains in 2021. I made a lot of gains in 2021, and I also lost a lot too. Because I've learned, guys, when you're screenshotting your portfolio and stuff, that's probably when you should be taking profit. That's like the biggest thing I've learned. Or when you go to the barber and your barber starts asking you about crypto, you should probably start taking profits. Um, yeah, so when it comes to crypto, I never had a mentor. I just kind of learned everything myself just because I was so immersed in it. Like I loved everything about crypto inside and out. 2020 was huge for me. Like I binged watched YouTubers in 2020. Cryptos Are Us, BitBoy Crypto, Altcoin Daily, Brian Jung, Lark Davis. Yeah, I used to watch these guys like day in, day out, guys. Like my routine was I would wake up, watch all these guys like their live streams because they will go live on YouTube like all the time. And it's crazy to think that I'm like that YouTuber now. It's insane. Um, you think blah blah blah. Toshi is showing Turbo how it's done. Absolutely. Some of my Discord members, they actually sold some of their Turbo, got into Toshi, and made all their gains back that they lost. I thought that was funny. Is Benji a base meme? I believe so. Toshi just reached 17 again. Toshi's going crazy, boys. Let's go. Come on. 0.0016. Let's break past that $1 billion market cap, boys. Come on. Robbie says how to support your channel. Dude, just subscribe. That's literally all, man. Where on earth is Durham? Never heard of that city. That's so funny. I'm in Durham City, UK. He says, Bird Dog. What about Omikami? Dude, I don't want to sound like a racist and I don't want to get in trouble. From the creator of Shiba Inu, really. Let me try to search that up. Omik Amaterasu. Is this like the thing that, what is it, that Sasuke does? Amaterasu. This chart looks a little shaky right off the bat. Looks a wee bit shaky. Let's see. Is the best purchase sold through Uniswap? Is centralized? Let's see the, how do we see the holders and everything? The meaning of Amaterasu. Isn't it even this one, dude? What's your thoughts on Moby? Roby says, get super chat. Dude, I really need to set that up, man. That's what we're all hoping for. Idea on FOMC. When is that meeting again? Turbo is getting ripped right now. Just bought another million coins. Again, I do believe that they're going to just keep lowering interest rates, guys. And it's obviously going to be very bullish for crypto in general. You should make your chat subscriber only. Oh, I didn't even know you could do that. Bro, you're putting me on right now. How do I do that? Um, Wait, is subscriber only like if you buy? Because I don't want you guys to like pay for anything, or is it like just you literally hit the subscribe button? Because I know there's some where you have to be like a member or some BS, and I don't want that to happen. Um, yeah, I don't know. I'll take a look into that for next time. If you guys want to talk, you gotta be subscribed. I'm trying to find the tokenomics on this thing. Why is it making me jump through like hoops and boundaries? In God we trust. What is this? The live charts, Dex tools, holders. Okay, so 3% of the supply. Okay, pretty well spread out. Okay, so the tokenomics in terms of the like the holders isn't too crazy. How long has this thing been around for though? Let's see. Oh, it just keeps going back and back. How? Wait a second. This was launched back in September 2022. It had its run up in June 2024. Okay, so the chart doesn't look too bad. I just think that this doesn't have enough hype around it. Like I haven't seen too many people talking about this. So I don't know how is their engagement stuff on X? Let's find out. Omikami. I'm more sound like a racist. I'm not. It looks to me just right off the bat like the interaction and engagement just looks a little bit off. I don't know. Let me see what the chat is saying. You should make your chat. Shiba made a new project called Treat. Hopefully gets to Bone MC. It's this one tomorrow. Memecoin. I mean, dude, honestly, Omikami looks like a solid project. Am I going to be messing into it? Probably not. Have not heard too much about it. But it could be a solid play, boys. You could definitely make some money off of that. Now, if you hit sub, make me a mod. I'll help. So it's not paid. You literally have to just subscribe, dude. I will. Just give me a second. Do you have another buy order for Turbo? No, my Turbo bag is fat, man. I'm not buying any more Turbo. Set up your account. I was going to send money. Roby, oh, bro, I appreciate that, man. But no, you guys don't got to send anything, man. Like, I appreciate you guys just taking the time out of your day and just watching this like live stream. Like, what the heck? I have like 72 people just tuned in to watch me yap about cryptos, boys. Like, this is insane. So yeah, what's on my buying radar right now? JYAI, I think there's a lot of big things coming. I think these guys stick to their roadmaps. Jerry the Turtle's on my list 100%. Nitro is on my list. I've actually been accumulating these guys. I made a video about it. I probably will make another one very soon. Nitro is on my list. I think this thing is going to absolutely rip it. And I have been buying Toshi. So as of right now, Toshi isn't on my list because I have already been buying it up. Again, I do believe it is going back to all-time highs very, very soon. Turbo needs to beg for partnership with Nvidia and Robinhood ASAP. No, facts. Turbo is getting hammered, boys, and it's hard for me to say that because that's one of my favorite meme coins as well. Do you like Base NG? Base NG is a good play. Yeah, it is a solid play. Are you bullish on Fox and PNG? I'm not bullish on Fox because I haven't done enough research into it. PNG should be a solid play, but honestly, the thing is with PNG, like guys, it seems like utility plays aren't doing too good. So one of you guys were asking me, "Hey man, I caught too much meme coins." Well, that's literally because meme coins outperform utility plays, and it's ridiculous, guys. Like it's jarring to a point where I remember in March, the biggest trending narrative was meme coins. Second place was RWA. One of my biggest holdings at the time was RWA, guys. For those of you who are new, for all those 81 viewers right now, I just want to say thank you. Like guys, in March, I lost $35,000 in RWA play. And not because utility plays are bad or anything, but my wallet got hacked and everything like that. And like that was my biggest utility holding. So I'm just like, okay, what coins am I going to buy back to remake these losses? And I was just starting buying meme coins, and meme coins were just flying. In March, the biggest trending narrative was meme coins. It pumped over 1,000%. And second place was RWA pumping only 200, 300%. So you guys can kind of see why it makes more sense to buy into meme coins. And considering that the space is just full of a bunch of degenerates, guys, it honestly just makes sense. PNG Army. No, PNG is a solid play, boys. I actually I hold some of this. I think it's going to do well. It is a multi-chain DEX on a bunch of different networks. The thing is, it still hasn't come close to all-time highs again. Long term though, I still do think it will do well. Every $1 billion market cap is like a $5 PNG, which is absolutely ridiculous. Brett ETH will go to the moon, he says. So before you have nothing, get out while you can, says not name. Dude, it's either I ride Turbo to 7 cents or I ride it to 0. Any reasons why Turbo is your fave, Jason? I just think the community, one of the best communities that it has, like there genuinely isn't any other meme coin that has a community the way that Turbo does. Like they have one of the most cult-like communities I've ever seen, and the team is very proactive. The memes are there, the engagement on the interaction is there, guys. Decent. I'm gonna say decent, not the best. Decent tokenomics, and honestly, like I got in very early into that as well, so that's why like I'm a fan of it. And again, a lot of you guys tend to watch those Turbo videos as well, so I've just had it's like a positive cycle, right? Whatever you put out is whatever I've been getting. And the Turbo family, the Turbo community have been honestly just amazing, which is why it's one of my favorite communities, favorite meme coins. Don't mean to keep asking, hoping you can do an analysis on Moby. Yeah, sure, dude. Let me. Is it this one? Um, Moby. Is it this one? I need to know, sir. Hopefully, it's. I don't think it's this one. You don't like Mudang? Aren't you covering it last week? I do like Mudang. I never said I don't like it. Just because I don't cover a coin does not mean I don't like it. Keep going live, bro. The crypto world needs more lives, dude. I would love to, man. It's just so hard to talk for an hour. Like, boys, I'm gonna be so transparent. Like, I'm not gonna be fake with y'all. Like, guys, yapping for like an hour is insane. I don't know how people do it, man. Like Kai Cenat and stuff. If you guys watch this guy, how does he do like a subathon and a marathon for like a month? I feel like I'm gonna lose my voice. You know what I mean? Like it's insane. But I like doing it. It's just like I lose my voice after a bit. You know what I mean? Um, Crash will crash up to his names. It wasn't RWA. It was AI. Second one. No, I'm pretty confident it was RWA, man. I remember seeing it in March. If you don't know where Durham is, ask Pink Panther. Durham. Gonna get redder. Brett Ethereum will pump. Boys, Toshi up 25% in the last hour, wiped out my losses. Fernando 353 is in the house. If y'all don't know, Fernando is my boy. Everybody say what's up to him. Fernando, they said that there's a way to make the subscriber only, and someone was asking me to set up. What was that chat, boys? I don't know. Super chat, sub chat. I don't know, guys. But yeah, again, JYAI very very bullish on it. Again, I'm getting some follow requests on my Instagram. You know what? If you guys haven't already, make sure you go drop a follow over on the Instagram account as well, boys. How do I get there? Let's see. Let me try to find my Instagram here. It should be linked down below. If you guys could go drop me a follow over on my IG, boys. It's this one right over here. I'm not even able to sign in. This one right over here, boys. Make sure you go drop me a follow if you have not already. There's like 70 people watching. Listen, boys. Dream car acquired because of what? Because of crypto. The Discord on a billboard over here, absolutely massive. Yeah, make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram. Maybe I'll do a giveaway on there as well, boys. Who knows? But yeah, guys, Nitro, very bullish on JYAI. Again, we're going to be covering it. A lot of buy orders coming in. We love to see it. This is a meme coin that I think they listen to the community, guys. They take everything that you guys say into consideration, and they try to implement it, right? They're very good on constructive criticism. They're very proactive over on their socials as well, and everything on their roadmap that they've been talking about is slowly but surely coming into fruition. Now, if you guys are like, yo, like we're on Phantom and stuff like that, how do you buy this thing? Here, let me show you guys, okay? Here, let me go on MetaMask and search it. No, not even MetaMask. If you guys just want to search it up, you literally just go onto your Phantom wallet on the search and just type this into here. Let's go to Uniswap, okay? Just as an example. I don't want to open up my Phantom wallet because I have like no idea what's on there. Okay, so you just search for the token, boom, you type it in, and then Jerry the Turtle comes up, and that's literally all you do, guys. Like you just swap it over. Super simple. That's all it really takes. Turbo needs a big name behind it. Dude, I am a big name. Come on, man. Everybody talking from other meme coins and putting it into Toshi. That's exactly what's happening. Guys, do not chase the pumps. If you honestly were in the private Discord, you would be eating off of Toshi right now. Back at 0.0017. Absolutely love to see it. We had a little bit of a sell-off at 940 million. You guys need to understand there is such a psychological resistance at $1 billion market cap. And that's kind of how you want to trade these markets, guys. You can see it ran up to 906 million. If I'm not mistaken, I did see somewhere that it ran up to 940 million. If I were you guys, I would potentially take profits around that area. And then if we see another crash, potentially swing trade it, leverage some more on your way back down. Bro, can you look into Madcoin? I've actually looked into that before, dude. It's a solid play. I have covered it before. I feel you. Haha, damn, bro. Wait, what are these comments that you're deleting? Benji moving with Toshi. Hey, bro, how do I download JYAI? It's not on Coinbase. Bro, whoa, fellas, you don't have to download this token. Okay, go over to their website. Okay, if you don't know what their website is, there's a link tree here. Go over to their website, you copy the contract address, and then you look for it on whatever platform you're buying this on, guys. When it comes to meme coins, you're not downloading anything. If you're downloading something, I'm sorry, but your wallet is about to get absolutely rinsed. Okay. JYAI, guys, it's available on Beconomy, Asbit, UZX, AscendX, just to name a few. It's hard to see wallets dump 40, 60, 40, 50% from all-time highs, starting to feel like it will not even recover. That's exactly how they want you to feel. They like the market makers, the cabal guys, they just want to rinse you out of the markets. I should be completely honest. Walmart runtime, have a good stream, broski. Thank you, brother. Thanks for stopping by. Waiting for Becker's RWA video to post later today. Curious to see if it'll cause any coins to pump. It definitely will, man. Like every time any of these big YouTubers talk about something, it usually does have a little bit of a run up. Do you think Turbo can bounce back? Absolutely. That's why I hold it. What's going to be the end of this cycle? So realistically, it's always 500 to 550 days after a Bitcoin halving. And in 2024 was a Bitcoin halving. So 500, 550 days later, I'm looking at personally, July, August, September. Within those 3 months, we will be seeing a top. It could come a lot faster than that. I might be selling a lot faster than that. And I want you guys and I want you guys to be able to what's it called, guys? What was I just saying? I literally just went blank. I want you guys to be able to get in and get out exactly when I do, because I probably won't even be holding until then. Like if I see I made notable gains in spring, I'm probably going to be selling and taking profits, guys. So literally, if you want to be able to know when I buy, when I sell, make sure you check out the Memecoin Mastery. This is probably going to be it for the stream, guys. If you haven't, make sure you guys go follow me over on Instagram. Stay up to date with what I'm doing. Literally send me a message, try to get back to you guys about anything. Honestly, because of God using crypto as a vehicle, I've been able to buy my dream car, guys. I've been able to travel to one of my favorite places in the world, to Dubai, been to Korea, been to a bunch more places, and I'm very excited for what this year holds as well. I really want you guys to be able to make that long-term sustainable gains as well, because a lot of us are we're not after money, guys. We're after the freedom. We're after mental, time, location, freedom to be able to do whatever we want, whenever we want. And crypto was the vehicle that God used to be able to do that in my life, and I'm sure he could do that in yours as well. Vision Knox says, y'all better listen to him. Erfen says, hey Roshan, thank you for making video on Trouble Swap. Already 25x my investment. Dude, no way. That is ridiculous. Oh my gosh, man. That is sick. Anyone feeling when do I sell my Toshi? Got in at 0.001 and more at 0.0018. What is it at right now? I would, if I were you, man, I can't give you financial advice, but I would run it up to a billion market cap. It might have a pullback during that times if you want to take profits. No one's going to blame you for taking profits, guys, okay? At the end of the day, unrealized gains are just unrealized gains. They're just numbers on a magic computer, and you don't want to be that guy who doesn't sell. So if you're able to turn $10 into 100, you're able to turn 500 into $3,000, take those profits when profits are on the table. But with that being said, guys, I do want to say thank you so much for watching today's live stream. If you are new and you have not subscribed yet, make sure you do that so that you guys do not miss any of my uploads. I post 3 videos every single day. It's obviously not easy by any stretch of the imagination to do that, but again, I do it because I love crypto. I've noticed how my life has changed with crypto because God has allowed it, obviously. And I want you guys to have those type of gains as well. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching this live stream. And yeah, like this video. And yeah, see you guys in my